Hi, this is just a real quick video. If you are a Google Calendar user and you want to keep track of A days and B days, just wanted to show you a feature that you might not be aware of. So our first A day is Friday the 14th. And so I'm going to add a new event here and I'm just going to call it A day like that. And my default color for my calendar is blue, but I want this to not be blue. I don't want it to get lost. I want to just have something that's a little more noticeable by using color. And so if I go down here next to the name of my calendar and I click on that blue color, I can change that to any color that's listed here. So let's say that I want my A days to be sage, okay? And then I click save. And so that means Monday is going to be a B day. So I'm going to type B day and I'm going to do the same thing, click on that color. And this one I want to be graphite. And so, and if I repeat that, whoops, if I repeat that, then every time I look at my calendar, I'll know, okay, today's an A day, today's a B day, because I don't know about you, but this is going to take some getting used to, and I fully expect to get confused at some point. So, but this is something that just might help keep. I know it's going to help keep my brain a little more straight on it, and so hopefully it will help you as well.